myself Santana Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, MCA Department. I would like to present the Python programming topic, Object-Oriented Concepts. Classes and objects. Actually, class and object both are the basics of object-oriented concept. So class, it's a blueprint of the object. Object, it is an instance of the class. In Python, object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that uses objects and classes in programming. It aims to implement real-world entities like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, etc. in the programming. So main object-oriented concept, main binding the data and functions work together. So that is the main concept of object-oriented concept. Object-oriented concepts in Python is class, objects, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, data abstraction. Python class, a class is a collection of objects. So it is like a blueprint, it is a template, it is a base for the object. It consists of attributes and methods. Classes are created by keyword class. Attributes and variables which are belonging to a class. Then always it is public. So outside also using the class name, we can access the attributes and methods. Creating the class name colon statement 1 statement 2 like that any number of statement we can give under the class. Now for example here class is a dog here, but there is no empty class, it's empty class, so the keyword pass is given. It create an empty class dog. Python object, it is an entity, it consists of state and behavior. So any real world objects, mouse, keyboard, chair, table, whatever it is, we can represent that as an object in the object oriented programming. Integers, strings, floating point numbers, arrays, dictionaries, all are objects. Object, it consists of identity, state, behavior. So identity is nothing, name of the object, that is the identity. State means attributes of the object. Behavior means method of the object. To understand the state, behavior and identity, let us take the example dog. So here dog name is a identity. Dog attributes, that is a dog color, dog age, dog breed, all this is a attributes of the object dog. Behavior is a dog, whether dog is running, eating, sleeping, whatever it is, this is the behavior of the object. Creating an object. This will create an object named obj of the class name defined above. So here dog, it is a class name, open bracket, close bracket. It creates the object that will be assigned to the left hand side of the variable obj. So obj now it is a object. It is an instance of the class dog. So it consists of all the data, method, whatever which is defined inside the class dog, that is also really stored in a obj. So here identity, name of the dog, state are attributes, breed, age, color, it is a attributes, bark, sleep, eat, it is a behavior of the object. So this program it tells what is self and obj. So self it is an instance of the object. So obj it is also same. It refers the same object. In this example, actually constructor we refer the keyword self. That is your ID of self. We are printing the ID of the self. Whereas here outside the constructor there is a object. We are creating object for the class check. So obj, we are printing the ID for the obj. Both should be same. Here we are referring the object. Inside we are referring the self. So self is also refers the same obj, whatever it is obj, that is a self. So inside the method, constructor method, wherever it is, we want to refer the current instance of the object. Normally we can use the keyword self. So here address of the self is 140124. So similarly address of the class object is also 140124. Both written the same value. Thank you.